Hi, this is the 2019 Toro Zmaster 3000 series with 16 original hours. As we walk around the machine here, the seat is a deluxe seat with your weight adjustment right there. You can dial in your weight. It's got the 48-inch turbo force deck on it with the mulching kit already installed on it. This is your deck height adjustment all the way from 1 to 5 inches. That's your foot pedal there to raise and lower your deck, and that's your lock right there with your parking brake as well. Your gas tank there, I believe it's an 8-gallon tank. You get a little step right there on the deck as well. The deck will come with spindle covers as well. Just have them off right now for video purposes. Show you everything on this. The belt is good. Everything, this thing is like rock solid, like brand new, like you'd buy a brand new one off the showroom floor. Also, here we've got your 20.5 horse Kawasaki FX651V with the Donaldson air filtration system on it. Dual stage. Just kind of letting you look at it here. Fold and roll bar as well, like I mentioned. Running the Turfmaster, or their Carlisle Turfmaster tires, 23 by 950 by 12 NHS on the rear. On the front, running Carlisle smooth tread 13 by 5-00-6 NHS on the front. This mower has anti-scout wheels on it as well. We're running on the instrumentation here 16 hours. I don't know, right there. I don't know if you can see that or not. 16 hours. Running Parker hydro pumps and wheel motors on this unit as well. Just let you see that. Right there, Parker's. That's your fuel tank, but an 8-gallon tank. So everything's brand new. So we're gonna go ahead and crank this unit up for you. Let you get it run. thank you for watching this video, and please reach out to me and leave me a message if you're interested in this mower. Thank you.